Did you ever just cook on your square griddle and get this burn stain? A lot of people ask me how to clean a burned grill pan or square griddle, so this is what I use and my process. Watch till the end.
So parang may little paste siya. Then you just scrub with dry tissue. So you just do like that. For it scratch, you have to put a little bit of towel sa side mo. Then you just have to scratch it. So bali yung, ayan na yung ano niya. So makikita mo na natatanggal na siya. So all you have to do is put a powder. Okay? Put a little amount of water. Yan. Yung hindi man, yung medyo parang magpipaste siya. Yan. You can help with the nails but make sure hindi diretso kundi nandito sa tissue. Parang mag-e-effort lang yung tissue para hindi siya ma-scratch. Pero importante, you have the powder. Okay? Yan. Or pwede rin naman na lagyan mo ng powder. Then now, you can use a normal sponge. Kita? Pero talagang ang pangtanggal ng dumi is ito. Then, ang the best. Ganyan. See? Isa sa powder. Kita? So, continue even sa grill pan. So, just do the same. See, it will remove the discoloration. So it's like the square griddle and the grill pan. You clean it the same. So, see, even the discoloration will be done with the help of our powder. So, you just continue doing it. Yeah, both sides, back and forth. If there is, you just continue doing that. You could also use soap. Yan. Or kung meron ka nitong fixed top sa ano, maganda siya. It's very nice. Then you can just clip together with both of them. Talagang mawawala na yung mga ano niya. See? Very easy. Yan. So when you wash it, just wash it normal. Yan. So if you will see, may mga konting spot-spot pa. Sige lang, wash mo lang kasi hindi mo naman makikita hanggang hindi pa.